Good day, everybody. So, let me quickly assist every one of us that wants to know how to turn your Facebook account to your Facebook page. So, it's very simple. Then, the first thing you need to do basically is to go to your Facebook. You understand? So, when you're on your Facebook account, then you click on the menu. Look for the menu, then come to your name. Then look. When you click on your name, it open your own account. Then just look where you see edit profile. There will be a 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots, scroll down and then click on professional mode. That is how you change it to a page. The advantage of you having a page basically talks about your page can be monetized, your account can be monetized. Those are the advantages. And then you can, people that follow you will be they won't be or your like will automatically turn to followers. So imagine you have 5,000 likes, 5,000 friends. All of them will turn to follower immediately. Yeah, thank you.